Hi guys, my name is Timke Anyway and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a little Halloween Beetlejuice inspired look using some new Anastasia Beverly Hills products. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see what I can come up with, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm first gonna start off by priming the skin using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And for foundation, I'm gonna go in using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna use a combination of the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer and also the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Magic Star Concealer. And don't be afraid to go in a little bit heavy, because I want my skin to look a bit pale. And since the Milani Concealer is a little bit darker than the Jeffree Star Concealer, I'm putting that on the outside of where I put my concealer, if that makes sense. And I'm gonna put the Jeffree Star Concealer more like on the high points of my face. And now I'm setting the concealer using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Powder in the shade Translucent. And to melt in the powder, I'm spritzing my face using a little bit of the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Okay you guys, so I did my eyebrows and I primed my eyes using the ABH eye primer, and now I'm going in with the Norvina Volume 1 palette and I'm sketching out the crease using the shade B4. And then I'm blending that out using the shade A2. And now I'm highlighting my brow bone using the shade Pink Heart from the Moonchild Glow Kit. Okay, so now back to the crease using the shade B1 from the Norvina palette. I'm blending it out even more. And now I'm going in with the shade D5, which is a black, to deepen up the outer corner. And then it's time to cut the crease, again using the ABH eye primer. And then I'm packing the shade B3 on the lid. Okay, so next I'm gonna put a light layer of translucent powder under the eye, because we're gonna put on glitter and I want to catch the fallout. And for this glitter I'm using the ABH glitter adhesive and the loose glitter in Team No Sleep. And now that the glitter is on, I'm wiping off the powder. And to finish off the top, I'm blending together the glitter and the black using the same purples we used before. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I mixed the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipsticks in the shade Equality and Queen Bee to create like a minty green, and I'm putting that in the waterline. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Norvina Volume 2 palette, which has a lot of greens in it, but you could also use one palette and put the purple on the bottom if you don't want to buy two. And I'm deepening up the lower lash line using the shade C4. And now I'm blending that out even further using the shade A2. And because I want to add a fun little twist to the lower lash line, I'm going to use that same mixture of liquid lipsticks we used on the waterline, but I'm going to use it on a spoolie as colored mascara. And to also get the glitter going on the bottom, I'm going to place the Anastasia loose glitter in the shade Color Wave on the center of the lower lash line. And then I'm highlighting the inner corner using a dense brush and the shade C1 from the Norvina Volume 1 palette. Okay, so now it's time to finish up the skin, and I'm gonna start off by contouring using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And since I want to look a little bit pale, I'm gonna use the most cool tone color, which is this one in the bottom middle row. And now I'm gonna bake my nose contour using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Powder in the shade Vanilla. And while that bake is sitting in place, I'm gonna line my lips using the Morphe lip liner in the shade Bite Me. And then I'm filling that in using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks in the shade On Mute and Sand. Okay, so now it's time to wipe away the bake. Okay, so now I'm spritzing my face using a little bit more of the Morphe setting spray to prep myself for highlighter. And for highlighter, I'm using the shade Unicorn from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. Okay, so I want to finish off the lip using a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Summer Vibes. Okay you guys, so Beetlejuice has some patches of like moss on his face, so I'm gonna use some green eyeshadow to mimic that, and I'll be right back. Okay you guys, so that is it for today's look. I really hope you liked how it came out. If you did, please leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me. And let me know in the comments down below what you are gonna be for Halloween. If you'd like to see more from me, you can also follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Twitter. They're all linked in the description down below. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!